Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So Nvidia's RTX 40 Super Series review and sales and embargo information has been leaked out. We already knew when the RTX 40 Super Series is going to be launched. Like it is going to be launched on 8th of Jan, 16 Jan is the MSRP. But we now know more details regarding RTX 4070, 4070 Ti and 4080 Super. As you can see on the screen here, the product announcement for all three of them is set for Jan 8, 9 a.m. Pacific. The unboxing video for RTX 4070 Super should go live on Jan 8 at 2 p.m. Pacific, just after a few time. The AIC praise and influencer review for 4070 Super is set for 6 a.m. Pacific on Jan 16, and for non-MSRP user it's January 17 at 6 a.m. Pacific, and on shelf it's on the same day on Jan 17. So it's a weird move, but it's what Nvidia does. For RTX 4070 Ti Super, it's set for 6 a.m. Pacific on Jan 23. MSRP only review and non-MSRP reviews is Jan 24 at 6 a.m. Pacific. RTX 4080 is Jan 36 a.m. Pacific, and in Jan 31 6 a.m. Pacific non-MSRP consumer cards as such. Also, Intel CEO attacks Nvidia on AI and says the entire industry is motivated to eliminate the CUDA market. As you can see over here, Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger came out swinging at Nvidia's CUDA technology, claiming that the inference technology will be more important than training. As you can see, the entire industry is motivated to eliminate CUDA market. He's cited such examples such as MLR, Google, OpenAI, suggesting that they are moving to Pythonic programming layer to make AI training more open. We think of the CUDA mode as shallow and small because the industry is motivated to bring a broader set of technologies for broad training, innovation, data science, etc. And it says like an inference occur, hence once you have trained the model there is no CUDA dependency. It's all about how you can run that model well. So it just states maybe it's nice if Intel comes back in the game for AI and replaces CUDA, but yeah, it's nice to see. Next up, AMD has made their FSR3 GitHub source code open source as of now. As you can see in AMD's GPU Open, the FSR3 technology is open source as of now, and the mods are already been here. Yeah, you heard it right. The modders have already started modding the games. As such, as you can see, the FSR frame generation can be enabled in any game supporting NVIDIA DLSS 3 with a free mod, and it turns out nice for Alan Wake 2 and some other games, mostly in Cyberpunk, but this just give more support for RTX 2000 series and 3000 series, and it just shows what these GPUs are capable of with DLSS 3 also. 3.5 if Nvidia made those technologies open source as such, but with FSR3 now you get more frames on in Cyberpunk 2077 with RTX 30 series, which is nice to see. Like AMD just given a new life to this old GPUs, which is nice to see. And overall it's pretty great as a Cyberpunk mod can be available, like DLSS frame generation. FSR3 mod enables higher frames for RTX 30 series. As you can see, it can give as high as from 25 frames to as upwards as 47 frames with FSR3, which is nice to see. Like you can literally run this game from non-playable stage to playable, and the installation of mod is also pretty easy, I will say. You can just go and download, and you just need to change some files as such, and yeah, you can just play it on Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk 2077 as of now, but there are some problems with Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, Dying Light 2 or Hitman 3. So yeah, that things needs to be done, but it just shows what modding community is capable of. And lastly for today, AMD's 5th generation Turing has been pictured, and it comes with a whopping 192 cores, 384 threads, and do note this are Zen 5C cores and not Zen 5 cores. So yeah, they are less powered, but yeah, 192 cores, and there is usual their Zen 5 core model with higher clock speed, and it is 128 cores, 256 threads, up from 96 cores, 192 threads. So AMD is not stopping anytime destroying Intel in this segment, and it will be based on TSMC's 4 nanometer technology. And yeah, it's 16C series, as you can see on the screen here. I will show you the pictures as it has been spotted, but overall it's looking pretty nice. And yeah, AMD is doing it. As you can see, this is what has been spotted regarding Turin, and it looks nice overall. This is Zen 5, 128 cores to 56 thread, and the next one is Zen 5C, which is 192 cores and 384 threads. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the new sound of your thoughts in the comment section below? Like, share, subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.